I've got my little KF plane, my little KF605, I think it is. Let's see here. Yeah, 605. It's an F35. It's a little 3-channel plane, ready to fly. Runs off of a 1-cell LiPo. So I've been going through my inventory of planes, and I'm always looking for planes to gift to the kids and the family to get them interested in RC. And oh, I'm sure it's been over a year since I had this little plane out here, so I wanted to put another flight session on it, make sure everything was working okay before I gift it. Hopefully everything works okay, and I'll be able to get it gifted to one of the kids in the family, and let them have some fun with it. So let's bring it out here and see if we can launch it. It's a little breezy out here this morning. Alright, got my timer. I'm going to set my kitchen timer here for 6 minutes. Alright, let's see if we can launch it. Ready? I've got it in high rates. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, it is a little breezy. That is too cool. It has Elevon mixing on it and 2 little pusher motors, a landing gear. See if we can do a return to target maneuver here. That's going into the wind. Back off the throttle a little bit, coming into the wind. Check that out. For a little 1S 3-channel Parkjet, I think one of the kids is going to have a blast with this. It takes some finesse, which I don't have. It takes some finesse on the throttle. There we go. Got to kick in the throttle a little bit on the turn. Oh, that was a fast turn. Got to kick in the throttle a little bit on the turn. Look at that, it just about hovers. Giving it throttle. There we go. Makes its turn. Give it throttle. And I'm getting the hang of it again. Sounds like an angry bee. Throttle. There we go. I'm just giving it full throttle in the turn. Some right stick there. Throttle left stick. Oh, watch the truck, watch the truck. You're not going to be able to gift it if you tear it up, right? Throttle, left stick. I think they're going to have a blast with this little plane. Throttle, left stick. Oh no! I hit the truck. Oh man. It looks like the front wheel took the brunt of it. I can see it's bent back a ways. Oh man, I can't tear this up. Oh man. Oh, that would be so bad. Look at that little plane. Oh, almost did a touch and go, touch and go. Stay away from the truck. Look at that. That is slick. Oh, they're gonna love it. They're gonna love it if I don't tear it up first. Look at that. Hey, I'm getting the hang of it, man. I'm getting the hang of it. I think running into the truck taught me a good lesson there. Isn't that cool? Look at that. I'm getting a little bit smoother with it. Okay, let's go out and run some circuits now. We've done enough figure eights. That is pretty slick. Check that out. That's handling pretty well for a little, you know, twin motor 1S, you know, brushed motor 3-channel little Parkjet. Check that out. Isn't that cool? I'm gonna be their favorite person in the whole family. Yeah, I'm gonna be it. That is cool. This is the KFPlane. What did I say? KF605? Little F35 Parkjet. I wonder if you could still get this. If you can, I'll have a link to it in the show notes. But that is pretty cool. It takes a little getting used to the controls, but after, you know, banging into the truck, making a few circuits and banging into the truck, I've got a handle on it now. That is slick. Okay, let's not get jerky with the controls again. Smooth, be smooth on the controls. If you're smooth on the controls, it handles pretty smoothly. Look at that. That is pretty slick. Yeah, tiny movements, tiny movements, tiny movements on the stick. Oh, I've had it in the air for 6 minutes already. All right, let's make one more circuit and we'll see if we can bring it in and land it halfway decent into the air. I don't know how much flight time you'll get off of it, but obviously you'll get 6 minutes of flight time out of it. Okay, so we're going to bring it around here into the wind. I wish I had a little more wind now. It's kind of slackened off. We're going to see if we could set it down. Oh, that wasn't any good. All right, we got to put it back in the air again. Let me straighten out my nose gear. I really bent that up when I hit the truck, guys. All right, everything else looks kosher. All right, we're gonna see if we can make a decent landing with it. Okay, now let's see if we can bring it around and get a decent landing out of it. I wish I had a little more wind. Soft on the controls, soft on the controls, don't land on the truck. I gotta make one more circuit. Couldn't get lined up there. One more circuit. I hope my battery holds up. One more circuit. Alright, let's make a big sweeping turn. Make sure we get lined up with our runway here. Ah! Alright, we gotta try it again. I don't know how much battery I have left. I gotta straighten the nose wheel out again. Alright, let's try. That's kind of bent up now. I'm gonna have to straighten that out before I gift it. Alright, let's put it in the air again. Okay, now let's see if we can bring it through here. Oh, come on. Why aren't you turning for me? Oh no, am I gonna have to go chase it? Oh no, I think I'm running out of battery. It's why it's not turning. It's got a, you know, it's got differential thrust. It's got elevons, but it's also got differential thrust. All right, come on, wind. Come on, wind. I don't want to go chase this thing. I do not want to go chase it. It's just not turning for me now. Looks like we got a gyro problem, boys. We got a gyro problem. Let's see if I can turn it. I can turn it in the other direction. Oh, but I can't turn it. We only got control in one direction now. What did I do? Oh no! Oh man, if I tore that up. Oh no. Oh no. Tell me I didn't land on a cactus. Oh no. Oh no. I wonder what happened there. I mean, I know I beat it up pretty badly, but still. Looks like both motors are still turning. Maybe I should power it off, power it back on. Let's try that. Power it back on. Power off the transmitter. Power it back on. Okay. Oop, oop. That dropped the transmitter. Okay. Put it in high rate. Okay. My wind has shifted. Now it's coming from the opposite direction. Alright, let's see. I've got to be about out of battery by now. Yeah, I'm still not getting a turn. Still not getting a turn to the left now. Hey, and I finally got a decent landing out of it. Oh man, I hope I didn't break anything. Oh man, I got no left turn authority now. That's not good. What did I do? No. Alright, anyway, that's a fun little plane. If they're still available, there will be links to it in the show notes. And I've got to figure out what's going on with this little plane. I hope I don't have to replace one of the motors to gift it. But you never know. I might have done something bad there. All right. Anyway, that's a wrap on this episode. Oh, now I know why. One of my vertical stabilizers is missing, man. I gotta go see if I can find it. All right. That's what's going on. I didn't realize it till now. One of my vertical stabilizers is missing. That's why I wasn't getting anything to the left. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. That's a wrap on this episode. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.